I wish I had someone to talk to. I feel so sad. Hello, Mary. Can we meet for coffee, please?
I appreciate you coming to see me.
That's what friends are for. How are you?
I'm going to show you step by step how to take an image created in Nano Banana and turn it into a realistic lip-synced animation. This method will give your content a whole new level of life. And the best part? You don't need expensive tools. You can start experimenting with free credits today. Let's dive in. Let's start by creating our character inside Nano Banana. I'll access it via Gemini. Once you're logged in, switch over to image generation. Here you can type your subject in the prompt box. For example, let's say an elegant young woman with short silver hair, wearing a futuristic jacket, standing in a neon-lit Tokyo street anime style. Now let's hit generate. In a few seconds, Nano Banana gives us an image. This is the output. Don't worry if small details look off. We'll refine them in the next step. The key here is to lock in your character's overall look, since this is the image we'll eventually bring to life with lip sync. The beauty of using Nano Banana is you can use text to prompt, but you can also use image to image generation. I'll upload an image of our girl Stacy. We've used her before many times on this channel. I want to change her location and perhaps the outfit. Generate as many images as you need for your script. For every new scene, you'll have to generate a new image. Now that we've refined our character image with Nano Banana, let's actually bring them to life using lip sync. For this part, I'll use Dzine AI since it handles multiple character lip syncing much better. Here's how it works. First, take the character image we created and upload it into Dzine AI. Next, click on Lip Sync on the left side drop-down menu. This prompt appears with these boxes on the characters' faces. Choose your characters in order of speech. The character you want to speak first gets to be your first selection. I have a tutorial on using Dzine AI. I'll link it in the description box below. You're directed to this page where you get to choose your character voices. I do love some of their voices, but you can also upload your audio.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social media?
This can be a voiceover you recorded, a voice generated in ElevenLabs, or even a music track if you're making a performance-style video. Once both the image and audio are in, preview and then hit generate. And Dzine AI syncs the lips to the speech almost instantly. Dzine AI gives you a free trial with free credits to try out their software before committing.
I appreciate you coming to see me.
That's what friends are for. How are you?
The mouth movements feel far more natural than what you'll see in most tools, and the character actually looks like it's speaking the lines. There are other tools you can use to achieve similar results. Two of them I highly recommend are Kling AI and VO3. You can also achieve the same results with both non-human and human characters. I'll use this image of our elegant lady in a bar. Upload it and select her face. I'll upload an audio I already generated in ElevenLabs and generate. Now that we've lip-synced our character in Dzine AI, let's talk about exporting and where you can actually use these videos. When your animation is ready, Dzine AI lets you download it in standard MP4 format, perfect for uploading straight to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even presentations. You can usually choose between 720p and 1080p, depending on how crisp you want the final result. With just two tools, Nano Banana for image generation and Dzine AI for lip syncing, you can build characters, give them a voice, and share them anywhere you want. No cameras, no expensive animation software, just AI doing the heavy lifting, and that's it. From a static image in Nano Banana to a fully lip-synced character in Dzine AI. You now have a simple but powerful workflow for bringing your creations to life. Links to everything mentioned will be in the description box below. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials just like this.